Hello my friends and fellow ragdoll cat lovers. Here we have Zuzu and her 7 babies. Yes, she still has 7. Number 7 is doing really well. But you can see they're all doing really well. All fat, all happy, all drinking. They've all doubled in size since they were born. And they are 1 week old today. Hello. So I have a little update. Everyone's always asking me how they are. Well, they are fine. The problems has been their mum, Zuzu, who last video I said we'd taken her into the vet. She'd had an oxytocin shot, which is meant to expel any retained placentas. She did expel some. Unfortunately, we do believe that she still had some stuck in there. And we didn't know it at the time, and she was fine throughout Friday and early Saturday. And Saturday night she spiked a fever above 40.5 I think. And I was very lucky to have my vet friend, who was in Japan at the time, walk me through what to do. We got her temperature down and she was eating, drinking. She went back into the kittens, temperature, back in the normal realm. And I took her into the Sunday vet, which is not my usual vet, but we went in there. And I'm very glad I took her in there because she had a high temperature again at 10 o'clock on the Sunday morning. So we got another oxytocin shot. And she was put on antibiotics, and she did expel more placenta gunge. Oh, look at that one. Oh. And I thought that would be the end of it. I thought antibiotics would clear it all up. So that was Sunday, and then she had a temperature again Sunday night, I believe, either Sunday or Monday. I've lost track of the days a little bit. And we did get it down again, but you do have to be careful what sort of medication you give because it can come through the milk to the babies. Anyway, so we're on Wednesday today. So yesterday I went into our usual vet and he gave her another oxytocin shot, and temperature wasn't super high, but it was still higher than we would like. So he said, we'll keep her on the antibiotics. We'll try and see if she can expel any more retained placenta goo. And she did. Within half an hour, we had this rather vile piece come out. And since then, fingers crossed, she has been okay. She's this morning temperature 38.4, which is as low as it's been so far, which is good. Look at them. That's why their eyes are shut when they're born, I'm pretty sure, because they're just vicious at the milk bar. So yeah, so we come to today, and so far so good. I sort of don't want to say she's 100% better because I just don't know. The last time I said that, within an hour she had a temperature, but for the last 24 hours she's been good. She's eating, drinking. She loves these babies. She's always in with them. I just sometimes with cats, they're so good at hiding their pain. And especially a mum with kittens, she's going to do everything she can to make sure they're cared for. That she'll put her needs second. So it's really hard to tell until it's too late if things are going wrong. So I take her temperature a few times each day. She has her antibiotic tablet twice a day. And we'll go back in for a vet check tomorrow. But yeah, fingers crossed, so far so good.